I've discovered the best viral faceless niche right now, and also the easiest to create. It's called AI ASMR videos. These are relaxing videos with light sound effects, and we'll see how to make them using Edimakor. Now, why did I specifically choose Edimakor, even though there are many AI tools available in 2025? Because Edimakor is not just an editing program, it combines all the AI tools you need in one place. That means you can generate videos, edit them, and download them all from the same platform. It also includes features you won't find on other websites like CapCut, such as downloading any video from YouTube or TikTok, translating videos into any language you want, removing backgrounds from both images and videos, and more. In fact, it has over 100 different tools, too many to mention here. You'll find the link for the free trial in the first comment. After you register and download the program, this interface will appear. You can either use the AI video generator or start a new project to upload files and create your video. Inside, you'll also find AI video generators. Of course, you can upload any file here, and as you can see, you can even make any character speak. As for text, you can add captions in various beautiful styles, and with just one click, you can generate captions for an entire video in any language you want. You can even translate the video directly from here. Now we're going to try creating AI ASMR videos. From the AI video section, you'll find different AI tools such as AI effects, image to video, and text to video, which is the one we'll be using now. Honestly, everything you need is right here, no need for any other tool. So, after choosing text to video, I asked ChatGPT for some AI ASMR prompts. I've saved them in Google Docs, and I'll just copy one of them, then go back to Edimakor and paste the prompt. They've also integrated VEO3 inside the platform, so I'll select it directly, leave all the settings as they are, and simply hit generate. I honestly didn't expect the video to be ready this fast. Of course, with VEO3 videos, there's really nothing to say. The results are always stunning. The only drawback is that they consume a lot of points. In the same way, we'll try with another prompt, and here's the second video. Now I just drag the videos down into the timeline, start editing, choose the aspect ratio that suits me, and freely adjust everything as I like. Next, we'll test Edimakor's own video generator. I can create lots of videos with it. We'll paste a random prompt, set the right settings, and see the results together. Here it is, the video. It looks good, it's beautiful, and the quality is excellent. But it's missing sound effects. When I checked the settings, I couldn't find an option to add audio. That's why you can use the second generator, Edimakor 2.0, which includes more settings, offers 1080p quality, and comes with built-in sound effects. There's also an image generator, but this time I'll just give it an idea, and it will create the prompt for me, meaning you don't even need ChatGPT here to generate prompts. Just suggest your idea, and it expands on it. Then, for example, we'll choose Ghibli style, set a high resolution, pick the aspect ratio we want, select the number of images, let's say 4, and click Generate. After a short wait, 4 high-quality images are created. I'll let you see them yourself. From the download section, you can also download any video from YouTube or TikTok by simply copying and pasting the video link here. This is a really important and useful feature for content creation. There are also some trending and animated backgrounds that are very attractive and can be used as backdrops for your videos. So why leave all these features aside and go use another tool? Edimakor provides a wide range of smart tools for editing and AI-powered video generation. It offers special deals for students and teachers, with discounts of up to 60% between August 18 and September 15, 2025, along with free AI credits and trial periods. Among the subscription plans, a lifetime license that includes 10,000 AI points and access to 20+ tools for editing images, audio, and video, plus the ability to export in 4K quality without watermarks. A yearly license that gives 3,000 points, special point packages just for creating professional videos with tools like VEO3. As for features, you can get automatic translation into 130 languages, text-to-speech conversion, audio editing with silence detection, background removal from both images and videos, and finally, generate professional video clips from either text or images using the AI video generator. The link is in the first comment if you want to try it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content about AI.